closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. I see them girls, no wonder them they show off. They want to be noticed, see them girls, no wonder them they show. So person no fit drink water, drop cup in peace, I be waiting be the matter, I be make we run now.
Welcome to Frank's Kitchen. Please, what can we serve you?
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, please can I see your boss?
Oh, okay, I'll call him right away.
Thank you.
Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. I see them girls, no wonder them they show off. They want to be noticed, see them girls, no wonder them they show.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi.
You're welcome to Frank's Kitchen.
My name is Lizzie.
Oh, nice to meet you, Lizzie.
The pleasure is on mine, and I'm so happy to be here again.
Oh, that's great. So tell me, what can I offer you?
So what do you have?
We have everything. So just tell me what you want.
Can I have a bottle of sweet wine?
Sweet wine?
Sweet wine.
Okay, that's fine. That's all you want?
At least for now.
For now. That's right. Please enjoy your stay.
I will.
Thank you.
So there's no fit drink water, drop cup in peace, I be waiting be the matter, I be make we run now. Jay, everybody want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. I see them girls,
Oh, no. Oh, okay.
Thank you. Oh, please, can I have a bottle of water?
Bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
Okay, just a moment.
Okay.
so best no fit drink water, drop cup in peace, I be waiting be the matter, I be make you run now. Jay, everybody want
Jenny, you too much. Omo, I just tap one side, just to observe everything with the happen. E be like say half of our customers are on drugs. I just see the all of them, they collect the wood. Wetin happen? Now I talk, I no keep person. Listen, those are not our esteemed customers. They are just here for the real business. They're only using our services as a disguise. Oh, now I see. No wonder. You have at least seen faces, right? Yes. Soon, you start delivery. Soon, you start delivery. You have to be smart and sensitive in delivering your package. Make sure you observe the place before you bring out your package. Maintain the waitress smartness and smiling skill while the tray is resting on your palm. Your delivery is also on your palm. You get?
We get, but wait though. How much is the payment now? How is it like?
Weekly payment. The higher your delivery, the higher your pay. I'm in. One more thing. Do not gather here for this kind of meeting again. Do you understand? Only at home. Let's move.
Listen, Maureen, I am not an ungrateful person. Okay? I appreciate everything you did for me. You actually saved my life. And I want to say thank you for that. I know it's an awkward situation, but I promise never to put you in that situation again.
Look, it is very ridiculous what I did. I only tried to help. But then, I dozed off and I found myself a married woman in your bed. Oh, gosh.
But that's okay. You just slept off and that was it. You know what? It's okay. I'll call you tomorrow and tell you what meal we would prepare. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
So, I have to go now.
No, it's okay. Have a nice day. I'll call you tomorrow. What would you like to prepare? Egusi soup, oha soup, vegetable soup?
I think egusi would do.
Egusi is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Okay.
All right.
All right, bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous,
Boss!
dangerous game.
See you!
Dangerous game. The more you think, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities.
I can't wait to touch it.
These guys are dangerous. Our movements are spontaneous.
Thank you. My boss, God bless you.
They are playing a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous game. It's a dangerous game.
Great job, girls.
Thank you, boss.
You girls are so smart. And it makes me wet. I like it.
Boss, thank you very much. Boss, I like this dollar where you give me, but I still want to ask you something. The other systematic, is it not systematic? That business now, that other one where you talk systematic. Can we just be doing it at once alongside with this one? As we do this one, they still do that systematic one, so that the dollar could just drop like this, go they double, they come.
About the other business. I will let you know when the right time comes.
Boss, I believe you. Only this one don't make me believe you. Like this, so I don't believe you. Jennifer, now God will bless you. Now God will bless you when you carry us come here.
Now I want you girls to go have fun. Go to the club. Go to the bar. Order for anything, everything. Send the bills to me, I'll pay.
You say you go pay? I was already saying that you say that you can't pay for this money.
Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous, dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game.
Tina, you wrong speed. You wrong speed.
See me see wahala. How? Na me they try.
She means say the wrong speed for this business. I will teach they try talk.
How now?
Allow boss lady go to teach us. Make she school us for other business. Calm down. What do you overspeed? Allow your words make you prove things for you.
It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take life jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game.
My guy. I hope you're getting ready.
Ever ready. Ever ready.
Remember, I remain the judge. Only me. I'm the judge.
Just wait till that day.
Mike, let me ask you.
Go ahead.
Why are you sure that your wife is going to defeat my wife in cooking contest?
You know why? A dog that barks doesn't bite. Ndibo sina mbosinta. Just calm down.
When that day comes, you will be disgraced. No, you will be disgraced.
Never ever. We are fully prepared. My wife is a good cook and I made it. I'm not bragging.
We are coming. And I'm sure you know that action speaks louder
than words. Let me finish it. Than words.
Okay.
When you chop,
Reporting for duty. Fully on ground. I'm the judge.
Reporting for duty. I have to be judge. Go and get married. Come to his house.
You never read that side.
You eat his wife food. You come now, if not as a contest, I would have said, however, the one come on.
I go eat. When I chop on my wife's food finish, I go marry.
My wife is the best chef on earth. Take it or leave it, man.
It's fine.
Honest.
He don't turn judge.
We're not bragging. People like us don't brag because we know what is going to be the outcome at the end of the day.
You will be the outcome.
May fish no dey alive.
See me no more marry.
Finish fish go dey alive.
I told you to terminate that contract. How dare you disobey me?
Kindly tell me why I should terminate the contract. Why?
Because I said so. I will pay you off.
Listen, you need to understand this. It's not about money for me. It is about what I love to do. Yes.
How dare you challenge me?
What? Excuse me? Your friend's daughter wants to learn how to make continental dishes. And I'm her coach. She just wants a crisis-free home. Yes.
Really? So I can tell you what I want and how I want this to be done? Frank, I want you to quit. End it. Name your price. Frank! Tell it. Jojo.
Boss.
Tell me what I need to know.
About what, boss?
My friend, your boss' wife is seeing my man. True or false? Do you want me to force you to speak?
I sincerely do not know what you're talking about. Please, can you make it clear?
Jojo, do you think I am here to do riddles with you? To speak riddles? Speak! I speak right now.
I swear, man. I cannot figure out what you're saying. I swear.
Okay. Really? That's fine.
My oh my. Man, from what I'm saying, obviously. Wow. This looks it's too enough.
You should.
Help me with what?
Oh, I'm so sorry, baby.
This looks like
Can't wait for you to try it.
sure do.
You like it?
This is delicious. As sweet as a cook. Give me 5.
Thank you, baby.
You know what?
What?
My mother will be very, very proud of you. As a matter of fact, we are beating the Kens family hands down.
Oh, well, you don't have to conclude yet, baby.
With these, my oh my, the sky is a starting point in domestic matters.
Thank you, baby. Talking about Ken and his wife. Something tells me that his wife doesn't know how to cook. I mean, she's not a good cook.
Sure, what you say. Have you ever told anybody that Ken's wife buys food from eateries?
Not really. No. I mean, that was just a notion anyways. You know, we went to the salon the other time. And then this girl practically slammed me for not knowing how to cook. Trust me now. I gave my own mouth back. Oh. And then she got infuriated and then she burst our friendship. I don't care anyways.
Women. Is that the reason for the back and forth, off, on and all that between the two of you?
Anyways, that's bygone, okay? I think her insults motivated me that
I had to learn how to cook. And I'm sure I'm really going to beat her hands down. Like, I am going to beat Florence. Hands down. For real. Of course.
I trust you. I don't have any doubt. And I love it. You know what?
What?
That money.
Of course.
Let me say it in our local parlance. Now we get the pepe.
The ego.
Now we get that. let me. Hey, right.
Let me cook this food.
You did. See. Oh my God, the best chef in the world. They go here. Ken and your wife.
I will show Florence pepper.
See? Easy. Okay. I drop and go this way. Like I said, some people like it big, some people like it small.
Quite big.
Alright, so I'm going to give you the rest of it to try it. Alright? Take this off.
Are you sure I can do this?
Like this, okay. Okay, so let's see you do this one. Go ahead.
Are you sure about this?
There you go. Slice your hand.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Wow. That means I think I can actually fry plantain.
Alright, so this is it. You want to do that? Okay. Slice this off. Slice this off. Take this off. Alright, just take out the bad part. Just a little.
That's so fast.
So I will just like this, like this, like this, like this. Oh, cool. See? Alright, so this is good. Just put a little salt. Sorry. Okay. So this is some onions. Just wash it. And don't forget, we're making fried plantain and egg sauce, right?
Yeah, egg sauce.
Okay, so some people like lots of onion, just like myself. And this is how I like to slice them, right? Like this.
Wow. I don't think I can do this.
Just a little. Just a little. Sliced. This is supposed to be on the chopping board, but make it faster. Nice. So we have sliced onions. So wash my hands. Okay. So remember we have eggs. Don't forget. Right. So just turn this on. You want to help me do that? Right. Good. Thanks. So it's best to have some salt here. Just have salt. So just add some salt here. Very fine. Before we do that. Right? Right? You rinse it. You rinse it. And you slice. Like this. Right? It's fine, don't worry, don't worry. So like slice like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Yeah. Normally we're supposed to blend it. Okay? Then or you slice it. Right. So just cut it. This way. Tomatoes a little bit soft. We're just going to keep managing it. Ow!
Oh, sorry.
That was a joke. Right. Okay, good. So you want to try this last one? Okay. Careful, you don't cut your hands.
Like this?
Yeah, just slice easy. Your hands. Your fingers. Right. 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 Just a little. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Okay.
Try to really press something.
Yeah. So you just mix up the salt. Okay. And you mix that in. Hold on. There you go. Oh, watch this. Okay. There you go. Come this way. Careful. Yeah.
Just one more. I don't know. I'm so nervous.
No, just put some more. Okay, that's fine.
Like this.
Whoa! Okay, try it.
Okay.
You see, you can do it.
Yes.
Right. Some more. Right.
Like this.
Right. I'll just help you, sorry.
Okay.
Put this. Yeah. Put some more. Okay, that's fine. Right.
So
You like it?
Yes, I'm actually enjoying this.
So we're going to break the eggs shortly.
Okay.
We'll have to look at the plantains so it doesn't get burnt. Alright?
Yeah.
So you can flip the plantain with that.
Like.
Yeah, just flip it.
Okay, like this.
Right, see, it's getting hot already, so just flip
Okay,
it.
yeah, it's true. Wow.
See? Very simple.
Yeah,
very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah.
Oh, this one is that.
Yeah, so it's getting hot. You know why? Because the oil is very hot.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
Yeah, you see? You're learning fast. Yeah.
Yes, I'm actually
Right.
learning very fast, like you said. Oh my god, this one is really getting long.
Right. Okay. Help you. You guys want to like take a look at this here, huh?
Yeah. Like it. Tastes nice, yeah?
I love it. Tastes really good.
I mean, you made it.
Yeah, we actually made it.
Who don't drink water last night?
I'm sitting up.
Really? I know someone who doesn't drink water until
I don't actually.
he's done eating. But I drink water a lot. Water is good. It helps aid digestion.
Yeah, because I take water about it. That's all I do. Yeah, I know that.
Sorry, I hope you weren't embarrassed. Yes, you must.
So there's no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Boy, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, no wonder them they show up. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh, no wonder them they show. So best no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, oh. I be waiting be the matter, boy. I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, no wonder them they show up. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh, no wonder them they show their sexy body.
So I'll be on my way now.
Thank you so much.
For what?
For being my teacher and my friend.
Oh, come on, it's nothing. It's okay. You're welcome.
Okay.
I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Sure. Please don't forget to come.
No, I won't. Why?
In that case, I have to walk you to the car.
Maureen, do you have to do that?
Yes, I mean, it's nothing. Come, let me just see you.
So there's no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Boy, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, no wonder them they show up. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh, no wonder them they show their sexy body. So best no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter, boy. I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, no
Hi Maureen, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Okay, I'm fine. Work is good. So, I hope you're getting ready for our final cooking class.
Oh, yes, I am.
Okay, next weekend, yeah. Okay.
Actually, I called to check up on you.
Alright, no problem. Okay. So, get prepared, huh? Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Sophia! Sophia! Jennifer!
For how long has this been going on?
I'm sorry, ma, for a while now.
And you couldn't tell me? Jojo, you couldn't tell me!
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, ma. I've been busy with Chief.
What happens to your phone? You should have told me on phone. Get out.
Sorry.
Jojo. Look at me. You said you have been busy lately with Chief. What have you been busy doing with him?
I've been...
Jojo! You know me. You know I don't like being told to wait. You know how dangerous I could be. Right? Get out.
You startled me. You didn't tell me you were coming.
You refuse to listen to my order. Frank, you refuse to stop going to that house.
Sorry, I can't.
You are seeing my friend and also seeing her daughter.
What are you talking about? How does that sound? How does that sound?
You think you can fool me? I Lizzie for real?
Listen, I think you're getting things mixed up. Alright? It's not what you think. I'm not doing anything. I'm just...
You will know when you meet your
Wait!
Listen to me. I don't know why you're here. But let me remind you, I have cameras everywhere. So don't do anything stupid.
because you will get caught.
You are already afraid. A man who is filled with guilt dies 1,000,000 times before his own death.
Listen, I know we have issues, and I know we started off on a bad foot, but listen, it's not what you think, okay? Don't do anything stupid. Give me a chance to explain, okay? But why are you here?
Oh, so you know why I'm here. I can't visit my boyfriend, who is sleeping with my own friend, and also sleeping with her daughter.
What?
At the same time.
That's not true. That's a wrong information. Come on. Where are you going? What?
I bought this for Maureen on her 20th birthday. And I personally gave it to her as a gift. Can you explain what this is doing in your living room?
Listen. Can you give me a chance to explain? Can you do that?
Really? Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
You have to believe me. I'm not lying. I'm telling you the truth. Honestly.
I have met with a lot of guys with sweet mouths. But I must say, you are good.
Babe, listen, you see, I'm not gonna lie to you. She likes me and she wants to do something, alright? But I don't have anything to do with her or her daughter. You have to believe me. I'm telling you the truth. I'm being honest here. I don't have anything to do with both of them.
Frank, I trust my informant than any other person. But you know what? I will play the fool and watch you. And if I ever find out that you are lying to me, that you are cheating on me, I swear you won't breathe again.
Huh?
You had me.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy they kiddo. Take life jaja, no they para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. Dangerous. They are playing. It's It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they're playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game.
Hey, look at the sky. The sky is blue and black with a tiny diamond light inside. The light is blinking when one. From the up is blue and the down is black. Ah!
Shut up! The sky is yellow from here. It's yellow.
You're a fool. You're a big fool. Can't you see the sky is red? The sky is blue and red. It's coming from down, going up.
Cause pity the kiddo, I take life jaja, no the para for life. What is yours will still be your own. Oh. It's a dangerous game, dangerous. They're playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa,
down. This thing is sweet.
Boss.
Where are you at? Good. With the girls? Perfect. Meet me up at my hotel room tonight. With the girls.
Sure, boss. Sure. Boss Girl just called. We'll be having a meeting with her. Sophia? Clean up this mess.
Where are you going to?
I'm coming. When I get back, we'll leave to see boss. Clean up. Clean up.
There's a meeting tonight. What are you doing?
Clean up the mess.
Is it your mess? It's good. It's enough.
Yes.
I am game. I need money.
You see it?
Plenty money. This thing is colored. I like it.
It's yellow. It's okay. Al-Aji. I did a full ground normally. What size? Medium, large, extra large, triple extra large. Make your choice. You have my details. Send it.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, dangerous, a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They're playing a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kilo. Take life, jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. Oh, it's a dangerous game they are playing. The game is so dangerous, so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous, dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, dangerous, a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They're playing a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kilo. Take life, jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. Oh, it's a dangerous game they are playing. The game is so dangerous, so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. Whoa,
Listen, you shouldn't be here, alright?
Am I not welcome?
Listen, you shouldn't be here.
I know why.
Wrong timing.
Really?
Yes.
I see. Because Lizzie threatened you, right? How dare you sleep with my girlfriend?
What?
You heard me. Well, I've forgiven you. She'll never come close to you. It's all sorted.
Listen to me, this is not the time to talk about Lizzie, okay? I just want you to leave, please.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
You want to know why?
Sure.
Because my mother is around.
Oh, your mom.
Wait. Where are you going?
I need to say hi to your mom.
No, you can't say hi to my mother.
Obera, what's with you?
Listen, my mom, okay, is way younger than you are. And I don't want her thinking I'm having something to do with a woman who's old enough to be her mother.